Today is the eve of your wedding. How do you feel right now?
My biggest anxiety here was that I just want to make sure everyone has a good time. It was only like 60.
Yeah, nice.
I think it was 60? No, 80. $80 for one full set.
Yeah.
Oh, this is yours, Carissa. It's the
Oh, the blue one.
yeah. The color is really nice.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, nice color.
It's a very like calm. Ooh. Oh,
Nice.
so shiny. Yeah. Yeah, they look nice. Oh, wow. It's like a pink tomesode.
She was asking if it was just like a long dress like this. And it's just like,
Mahirap yun na, nice. 10 pounds, you need some kimono.
I felt a little bit pressured to like make sure everything is as best as possible. It seems like everyone's having a good time, so yeah. You know, it's a long ways here. It's really far from home to get here, so I just want to make sure everyone's trip is worth it as well. So yeah.
So we are at Usa Jingo, Usa Shrine. We're basically on our way to the shrine here.
Are we just sightseeing? Is this
Yeah,
what
that
we're
too.
doing here?
Well, we're actually looking. Yeah, we're location scouting, making sure all the old people can get up to the shrine. Okay. Apparently there's 100 steps that you have to go up in order to get to the shrine. And yeah, I mean, we're here just scoping it out. This is where we're gonna get married in the next 2 days.
We're about to do a fortune thing again. So last time.
This is a legit one. The last one was.
Oh, this is a legit one. What makes it real?
It's in a temple.
It's in a holy
Not-
national treasure.
Okay.
Dalton, since last time you went last, you should go first.
maybe you'll get the best one this time.
Before I take all the good ones.
Oh, you have. This is good fortune. Overall,
Wait.
that's good.
Does that mean there's also bad ones
There's
in there?
5 levels,
Uh-huh.
and you're in the middle.
That's
This is so
weird.
hard. It's like all like ancient Japanese.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's really hard. Someone that has a higher position as you will grant you some good happiness or some good fortune. You have to try your best to keep this good relation, but do not do too much for that person, but always have their backs. People will help you get your wishes to come true. Try to keep yourself at their pace, and things will go in a good direction.
What do you make of that, Kuya, Mr. Analyst?
That's fine. Sounds average.
Your wishes will come true, and it will come true quickly. Okay, for love, he says repress your own self, and you will have the best luck.
Repress my own self.
Oh,
What's that word?
tone it down a little.
Yeah,
Oh, we're supposed to tie this on the thing, right?
if you want it to come true.
What's going through your mind right now? Like, how are you feeling?
I don't think it's hit me yet. I don't know. I think after I see Sal's family here, that's when it's gonna start to hit me, because since we've gotten here, it's basically been my side of the family that I've been hanging out with. But once I see her grandpa, that's when I'm probably gonna start getting nervous.
Teenager, so they're like, oh my gosh, you've changed so much. Yeah, I haven't seen most of these family members in many years.
This
So
is the
they
coolest
only,
thing.
They only knew me when I was like little, and they took really good care of me.
Sao has seen maybe like 100 of my relatives. This is the first time I've ever really seen her relatives.
Yeah, he came to Los Angeles before.
I'll do it later.
Chicha, come fight.